Okay guys, we are back right now. We're in China, Shanghai 2025 China Toy Expo Fair. And here, special host Neon. What's your name, please?
I'm Noreen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Good. So here guys, I'm at the booth of Eyesun Technology Co Ltd. The company was opened in which year?
2011.
2011, that's right. So more than 14 years on the market, guys. And it's a big deal because company has more than 8,000 square meters of facilities with over 100 employees and 4 advanced production lines. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, on their shelves, the main products are cameras, kids cameras, AI cameras, digital cameras, printing cameras, smart watches, hunting cameras, and IP cameras. So right now we're gonna do it one by one, guys. We're gonna talk about the products, test them, and show you more about the functions. Also, I want to mention that the major markets for this company are European markets, okay, including Portugal, France, Czech Republic, Netherlands, Greece, Belgium, Poland, and more. And of course, they are also represented on the American market. And of course, they've got a share on Asian market as well. As for the certificates and the license, yes, it's all available. And of course, the company following the recent regulations because they comply with the law. Otherwise, they can't go abroad, guys. So later in the video, I'm going to show you everything about the certificates. And of course, we're going to show you more about the contact information, about the company background as well. Okay, so here we've got the top product. So what is that?
It's instant print camera.
Instant print camera. Beautiful. Yeah. Nice. Okay. So it's colorful or not?
Yeah, it's single color.
Okay. And even you can stick it, right?
Yeah, it's
wow.
a sticker.
It's a sticker. Wow, it's so nice, guys. You can stick it on your fridge, on your bag, pencil case, whatever you want. So it's all about the way you want to design your life around you, okay? The kids will love it. Okay, so what about the functions? Let's show them. What's here happening?
You can take pictures.
Take a picture, yes. Next one, make a video.
Yeah, make video.
Okay. So here is the next product, the new one actually, right?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's AI camera.
AI camera. Cool. We're gonna try and use it, guys, here live for you. Okay. You got it. So this interface, camera recognition, AI camera, change background. Just funny one, okay, or something like that.
Sorry. Wait a minute.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Okay. We can. What's this?
We're asking, what's this? We got the answer. The picture shows a folding screen phone. Okay. So AI tools recognize the objects and gives a description. So it helps the kids learn about the objects in this world. Okay, good. This is it. Okay guys, so here we've been talking about this amazing company called Eyesun. Okay guys, so here their main products about kids instant printing cameras. As you can see here, and in the box with all the features mentioned in here, photo frames, big screen, printing function, videotape, support extensions, autofocus, and photography. Okay, so you can make pics, guys, you can enjoy, and later I'm gonna show you the contact details of this company so you can talk to them directly. Okay,